All right, good morning, geometry guys. Coming at you for our last day review before our test tomorrow. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the bell. So, if I were you, for my orange sheet, I would actually have the formulas and maybe an example. Shouldn't be that much, but also could be some calculator tips. All right, so let's see, 6 squared. Now, why? Whose ever video that is? Let's not. So, hey, 3, 2, 1, no contact until I'm done. All right. The way this is set up, if you have the numbers in here wrong, that's where the points are counted off. No, they're just laughing hysterically for no reason. Six squared. All right, so 216 meters squared. Now, you may want to put a note on your orange sheet that says answers on the left will be cubed. Answers on the right will be squared. Okay? You also may want to draw an arrow to say which way it is, left or right. Alright, are we good with number 1? Alright. So, number 2. So 6 squared times 14 over 3. Well, that's not even close to the problem. That ain't it either. Alright, so 168 feet cubed. 2 times 12. 6 plus 6 squared. Also, any other note that you may need to put in there, like, you know, slant height goes with surface area, something like that. Feet squared. You also may want to put tips for how to enter it in the calculator, what keys to hit first. Like, if we're writing it as a fraction, we would want to do the N over D button first. Alright. Number 3. Yes?
You said which side would be the square, which one would be the that side would be squared, the right side would be squared, and the left side would be...
Yes. Left would be cubed, right would be squared. Alright, so let's see. 5 squared, 25 over 3. Over 3. Alright, now, if you get an answer like this, the direction says round to the nearest tenth if needed. This would be needed. How do you change this fraction to a decimal? That's how you change a decimal to a percent. On the calculator, how do you change this to a decimal? The double arrow button. Okay, so 208.3 pi inches cubed. Okay. And then 5 squared plus 5 times 15. 5 times 15. So this would be inches squared. Alright. So moving on to number 4. So you can remember, let's see, this would be 3 squared, 6 over 3. What, whoever is tapping, could you stop, please? Thank you. Alright, so 18 pi feet cubed. Six. Whoop. Pi feet squared. Now, I am being particular on how you're writing these. Granted, some of y'all will have a awesome job that's not teaching, and you'll never have to write stuff like this. But you'll have to pay close attention to some type of detail. Okay, so if we start that now, it should kind of set you apart later. Okay. Alright. So, moving on. 4 times 15 cubed over 3. That's 15 raised to the roof 3. 4,500 pi inches cubed. 15 squared. So 900 pi inches squared. Alright, and the last one. 4 times 9 cubed. 3. You know, I really hate the fact that y'all don't have like a glee club or some type of singing group or something that y'all could, chorus or show choir or something here. Let's see, 4 times 9 squared. 324 pi feet squared. All right. Now, that is it. I know there are going to be some people that going to be a little lost in the sauce tomorrow, but oh well. Don't forget, hit like, subscribe, hit the bell. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.